So you've just bought that brand new car and it has Apple CarPlay, but you're not sure how to use it? In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to connect your iPhone using Apple CarPlay. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to do is to plug in your charge cable into the USB port in the car. This is how your phone communicates with your car audio system. Once this is done, your audio system will come on asking you if you want to connect your iPhone to your car. Go ahead and select OK. Once that's completed, your audio system will show up with an Apple CarPlay screen. You'll have several key pieces of information including maps, phone, access to your iTunes, messages, audiobooks, and more. Once here, you can use Apple CarPlay to do a number of things, including give you directions, find the closest gas station, find the nearest shopping, the nearest hotels, the nearest restaurants. Just bring it up, punch it in, and press go. You also have complete access to your iTunes audio library. You can select from a number of things, including artists, songs, albums, as well as any subscription-based programming. You also have full function access to Hey Siri. Hey Siri, who has the cheapest hot dogs in town? You can also use Hey Siri for movie times, special event programming, gas stations, local addresses. You can also use Hey Siri to make your phone calls. You're going to absolutely love having Apple CarPlay in your new Nissan. For more information on Apple CarPlay, please seek your manual or talk to your sales representative today. Tim Daly Nissan Southtown. We get you moving.